Hello, time travelers.
Hello, humans.
I'm thinking of going back on the chicken and broccoli diet only, whatever it's called, for a while, but for longer this time. And I was thinking of asking Chat GPT for not only advice, but like what would happen and, you know, the science behind it, maybe.
Don't 100% trust it, but it is cool.
This is my look of disapproval.
So let's ask Chat GPT, what would happen if I only ate chicken and broccoli for 90 days? Because that was the period of time I was thinking of doing.
Dun dun dun!
If you only ate chicken and broccoli for 90 days, you would likely experience several changes in your body and health. On the positive side, they're both relatively low in calories and high in protein, vitamins, and minerals. Eating those exclusively for 90 days could lead to weight loss and improved nutrition, particularly if you were previously consuming a lot of processed or high-calorie foods. Processed foods are the killer. However, there are potential negative effects
of such a restrictive diet.
Of such a restrictive diet. Nutrition deficiencies, fatty acids, fiber, some vitamins and minerals. I'm not going to read the rest. I'm going to say, what if I also had I wish I could do talk and type, but it won't load. Vitamins and what was the other one it said?
Fibrae.
And
fiber.
Psyllium.
Husk
powder. Poser. It almost wrote poser, which is fiber.
Which is fiber.
Including a daily multivitamin and psyllium husk powder in addition to a diet of only chicken and broccoli, it could help to address some blah 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 nutrient deficiencies. Multivitamins can help provide some of the vitamins and minerals. However, blah blah blah. Man, it's got so much information. Even with the addition of these supplements, it's important to remember that a diet consuming only 2 foods can be nutritionally inadequate and may not provide the nutrients of your body's needs. Come on, talk to type. Initialize!
Oh, right. It's not going to work because you have a recorder open.
You think so?
Yeah, it can only use one media source at one time.
Now, I don't know if this thing knows about the keto diet and intermittent fasting.
You probably should.
Because I noticed that when I was on chicken and broccoli diet before, I was tired unless I made sure I got my daily dose of fat.
Diabetes.
What if I also had, this is funny, blue cheese dressing?
Not blue cheese, like, not cheese, that went blue.
On the broccoli.
Or chicken.
Every day. I already know what happened because I've been trying to do that and it didn't work. Adding blue cheese dressing to your daily diet, blah, blah, blah. Increase the overall calorie fat intake. It's high in calories and fat, so consuming it regularly. When I tell you what happened was, it was so tasty, I ate too much of it every day and I got the sharts.
Oh, I crapped my pants!
So I can't buy that anymore. You can add it in moderation to avoid excess calorie intake. Well, I wasn't taking it in moderation. Do you know what MCT oil?
What? Do you know what Do you know what TC oil is?
While it's typing that out, medium chain triglycerides, it's what these saturated fats are turned into by your body. So if you have it straight, it's like a straight shot of energy, natural energy. It's not like all the other stuff like caffeine or taurine or anything like that. No, it's the actual molecule chain that your body makes. It's extremely popular in recent years as a dietary supplement, often added in smoothies, coffee, or used as a cooking oil. It's claimed to have numerous health benefits, including weight loss, improved brain function, and increased energy levels. And it's important to note that the evidence supporting these claims is limited, blah, blah, blah. I know the evidence is me doing chicken and broccoli only for a few weeks and being exhausted, and then adding MCT into my decaf and my smoothies. Whenever I did have a protein shake, all my energy came back. And so far, this thing is not talking about electrolytes. What about electrolytes? Wait, there it is. Are minerals in the body that carry an electric charge that play a vital role in many bodily functions. Go away, Facebook. You're not in this scene.
You gotta put a nope sign over it now.
Yep. Some electrolytes in the body include sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, chloride, and phosphate.
Turn on Do Not Disturb if you don't want to be disturbed by Facebook.
What if, in addition to chicken and broccoli, I had some MCT oil and butter every day? Fiber. Fibre. I almost spelled it wrong because of you. Capsules and multivitamins, as well as all of the electrolytes. Yeah, you said. Because I recognize those electrolytes, because in the previous video where I did chicken and broccoli for 30 days, I tell everybody how to make that Kool-Aid flavored snake juice. It has all those in it. And also I have potassium and calcium tablets. Increase the calorie and fat. Good source of energy and healthy fats. Important to consume moderation. Yeah, you only have like a teaspoon at a time. Butter is high in saturated fat. It will increase your risk of heart disease if consumed in excess. I'm only gonna have a tablespoon a day.
Is really trying to make you go in moderation, dude.
Yeah, and it's also saying all the negatives that are reinforced by processed food companies.
Yeah.
Including fiber, capsules, multivitamins, and electrolytes can help to address some of the potential nutritional deficiencies and lack of fiber and may result from a restricted deficiencies and lack of fiber that may result from a restrictive diet. However, it's important to note that while supplements can help to fill nutrient gaps, they should not be relied on as a substitute for whole foods. At least not for
Whole Foods, the company.
long term. Right, the store. Now I'm going to read the last paragraph, which says, every time you ask it dieting advice. If you're considering making significant changes to your diet, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian who can help you develop a nutrition plan that meets your individual needs and goals. I want to lose weight without talking to somebody that makes money on the side from, and this is, tinfoil hat time here, from pharmaceutical companies. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, you have to take all these pills. All these supplements, fiber, and electrolytes, they're all natural. So I'm going to go with my gallery for this random thing.
Random thing.
And now, enjoy this random thing. I got this on r/English on Reddit, and it's a weird sign on the wall that says, a sweet treat.
Let me say it. A sweet treat, the most tasty treat, that very sweet to eat. The greatest dessert I ever seen. Have a great taste of snowflake sherbet.
It's Spurbert.
Spurbert.
I remember I used to eat sherbet because it was low in fat until I learned that fat being bad for you was all a lie.
Fat doesn't make you fat unless it's monosaturated carbohydrates.
Or polyunsaturated what's-its. Now let's ask Chat GPT for a dad joke. Give me a dad joke that is diet related.
Doit related. Send it. Oh man.
You want me to send it misspelled?
Yeah.
Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. That dad joke's so old. Okay, now let's see what it says to this. Okay, what about the awkward end screen?
Spell it wrong.
You want me to spell it wrong on purpose?
No, just keep it how you spell it wrong.
See what it's awk 8 end. It doesn't understand. Okay, what about the awkward? Stupid spelling correct wants to put awk 8 end again. Awkwardly and screen. Emmed. Here's a diet-related dad joke related to the awkward end screen. What? Why did the dieter break up with their low-carb diet? It just wasn't their bread and butter.
It's so old.
No! Not a dad joke. The awkward end screen.
We can only have so many dad jokes before we malfunction.
The awkward end screen is a term used to refer to the situation where the conversation or meeting abruptly ends without a clear conclusion or a follow-up plan, leaving everyone feeling awkward and uncertain about what comes next. In a diet-related context, the offered end screen would occur if someone abruptly ends a conversation about their diet and healthy eating habits without providing any further information or support. It's important to maintain open and ongoing... Anyways, tell me in the comments what you think about me trying to do chicken and broccoli for 90 days.
Like what the glob do? That wasn't an awkward end screen.
Click here if you want to see when I did chicken and broccoli for a week. And click down here past his face if you want to see what it was like when I did it for 30 days. And click over this what's it over here to subscribe to the channel.
What's it?
Alright, bye time travelers.
A. I'm abandoning
This video
you
was
all
brought
now.
to you by Charlie's letter A.